So this is the access control domain, and we've covered a lot of different information. It is a domain that usually gets hit a lot on the exam, but it's also a domain that a lot of people are more familiar with. So we covered identification, authentication, authorization, accountability. We went through the different types of authentication technologies, biometrics, passwords, smart cards, tokens that create one-time passwords. Remember, we did synchronous and asynchronous tokens. We talked about identity management, which is really getting hit harder within the exam, and it's covering a lot more detail than it ever did before. So identity management, we talked about a lot of components or a lot of different technologies that make that up. What the directories are, what the web-based access control, password management. There's 3 different types that we covered. User profile updates. So make sure that that identity management is something that you really spend a lot of time with. We also went through the different types of access control models, DAC, MAC, role-based, rule-based. We also talked about how access is controlled centrally, and the 3 technologies we went through there is radius, TACX Plus, and diameter. And remember, diameter is basically a new radius, and it's probably going to get more coverage on the exam because it's being used more in the industry. We also talked about decentralized administration. We went through different types of intrusion detection and prevention systems, signature-based, behavioral-based, protocol anomaly, traffic anomaly. So this is there's a lot of information in this domain, but it's a very important domain.